Hi crafty friend, Lacey here, the Cheeky Bum. I'm back with another Halloween embellishment box swap, and this one is from Anne, and I'm so excited. I see Harry Potter, and that makes me happy. So yes, let's get into it. Hopefully my nail will stay on. I slammed my nail in the door. I am super clumsy when it comes to my phalanges and my toes. I don't know how many toes that I've broken because I stubbed them, or fingers that I have jammed. I've broken a couple. Like, I've just, nails break. I just like to slam my fingers into stuff and like just jam them all the time. I don't know why. I feel like I've almost been beat up. I have a bruise here from the corner of the kitchen island. I think that's it. I mean, I have a couple cat wounds from, you know, playing. I think that's it. I think other than that, I'm in one piece. But we'll get into the swap. I'm so sorry. We have these Hershey Kisses, and they're the Harry Potter ones. I got these last year as well. Do they taste any different? Nope, they're just regular Hershey Kisses, but they're Harry Potter, so that makes them special. It does. It makes them so special. And then this is like a little, is this a little sticker? Oh, it's a sticker book. Look at these little, oh, Ron. Oh, poor Ron. We'll fix you, Ron. I'm so excited. I had just hauled a sticker book that I had gotten from Five Below the other day. I'm really hoping in some downtime over the holidays. My mom's going to be here for a couple of weeks in December, so I probably won't be, you know, crafting or doing as much, but she is a big Harry Potter fan too. That's who, between her and my best friend, got me into Harry Potter. So I'm really planning on doing some Harry Potter puzzles. I think I have a Harry Potter like diamond painting, and I really want to try to start a Harry Potter junk journal. That is my goal over the Christmas holiday. But anyway, here's Anne's box. These are really cute. I'm not quite sure which, oh, did I rip the kitty? I really didn't want to rip the kitty. I think I can fix the kitty though. We'll just kind of cut the tape like this, and we'll kind of stick it under. I'm not quite sure where she got these boxes from, but I think she used these in another swap, if I'm not mistaken. I could be mistaken, but I feel like I seen, I don't know if it was the Pastel-Halloween or if it was Beck's swap. I don't know, but I'm pretty sure Anne has been in a couple other swaps, and I might have seen these boxes. But look how cute they are. They are just treat boxes, Halloween treat boxes, but they're so cute and they just go so nice, right? And we have the pastel Halloween tissue paper. Let's see what we have in here. Have these cute little bows. Is this an embellishment? Oh, it is. Okay, I was like, is this an embellishment box, or is it like a loaded tote / embellishment book? But it's a embellishment box. We have these cute little bat bows. They have little glow-in-the-dark eyes. These are cute. I don't know if I've seen this die. I've seen bat bows. I mean, I have some bat bows. I think mine are Chaos Crafts, but the Chaos Craft I think has like 2 different versions. The Craft Diva has a couple versions, I think, but I don't know if I've seen this one in particular. Oh, and look at this card. I'm gonna open this. It's like a vintage Halloween card. I love a good vintage Halloween moment. Look at her. So these might be like postcards that she has to put in a card, like card form. I'm not quite sure, but this is gorgeous. Just she's got a little note, says, thank you for hosting a fun swap as usual. Thank you, Anne. I had fun picking out these fun embellishments. Hope you enjoy them. All 3 swaps are the same, and of course one is for you. Love, your friend, Anne. Oh, thank you, Anne. I really appreciate that. But this is a cool, I think these are like postcards or like some kind of vintage Halloween from Temu, but I love how she's used it. Love it. Love the bows. What else do we have in here? We have, ooh, a little like one-page wonder type of thing. So it's held on by that. It is like a little one-page wonder, like file folder type of situation with all kinds of embellishments. So we have these bottle cap embellishments. I've been loving these lately. I've gotten quite a few in these swaps, so I'm super, super excited. And then in this pocket, she has this little shaker coffin. And then she's got Boo right here. And then in the pocket, she's got, oh, there's a little, let's see what's in here. I can see, but you know. So we have a cute little bracelet that says Boo, and then there's all kinds of Heeshy beads on there. And then we have some stickers. So cute. Oh, I love like the little vintage looking ones. So cute. I like this. I love a good little one-page wonder. And then in here we have a tea. Ooh, pumpkin spice chai. Ooh, that's gonna go in my cup today, I think. And then we have another little shaker over here. This is so cute. So cute. I'm pretty sure this is this paper? Is it Miss Kate? Oh, she's even got like a little vellum, little belly band here. Or vellum pocket, and it's got some cute little Boo tags in here. Little coffin paper clip. So cute. So cute. And then in one of the pockets, they are, ooh, are these like little acrylic pieces? Oh, they are. They're little cat ones. Look at that. They're little acrylic cat like charms. So cute. Look at these pumpkin cats. Look at these. These are so cute. Oh no, wiener dog. So cute. I'm so excited. Little things, right? And we got some sweet treats. My husband has been loving all these sweet treats. I just kind of put them all in a bowl out in the kitchen, and I've caught him rifling. I have a little sticky note pad. Look how cute that is. I like this one. I don't have this one. I have I think it's a Chaos Crafts or ZF Party. That's all right. We'll fix it. A sticky pad holder, but I like this one because it's like a little pocket. I like that. Like that. Love the black, white, and orange. Very cute. And then we have a pen. Oh, it's a pencil. I've been eyeing these beatable mechanical pencils, and I have not dipped into them yet. So I'm super excited to get one so I can play with it and see if it's something I want to purchase and do myself. I use mechanical pencils all the time, like every day. I will grab a pencil before a pen, usually when making notes, depending on what it is. But now I have a pencil, so he's going to go in my little drawer, and she's even included some pencil lead. And then, look how cute this is. I have gotten a couple other ones of these in an embellishment book, and yes, these are going to make such a fun, my plan is, of course I always have plans. Will they come to fruition? I don't know. My plan is to use these and do some kind of like vintage Halloween junk journal or traveler's notebook type style thing. So I'm happy to get another one of those. Thank you for sharing. And let me open this real quick. Okay, so I'm snagging this nail. I'm gonna have to cut that off. Here's her embellishment box. I'm sorry about my lighting. I really have to figure out this like winter lighting situation. I've had like summer lighting and it's been great, but It is, yeah, it's a little, I'm not loving it. Anyway, here is her embellishment box. She's taken these are from the KS Crafts like cafe or shop die add-on. So this is like the costume add-on pieces, but look how cute that is. It works out so good. I love the little ghosties. Says sugar treats. Ooh, look at it. So in here, she's included a couple of these little bat stick pins. And these are great for putting in your glue bottle, you know, like this one. If you want to be festive for the holidays. Let me zoom in so we can see. All right, so let's see, where do we want to start? In this one, we have a whole bunch of eyes. So we have googly eyes, and then we have these like monster eyes. These are so fun. And we have purple eyes, green eyes, different size eyes in that one. And then in this one is a whole bunch of nail charms and like jemmies for like flower centers. We have some skulls. I don't know if I've gotten the green skulls. So she's got all different colors. So she got like the variety pack. So we have blue, pink, yellow. We have some spiders. We have more of these jemmies. So all kinds of little flatbacks. And then over here we have some jack-o'-lanterns. I love these guys. I don't know why. I just like them. I like their size. And then we have these little flatback guys. And then we have some ghosties in this one. Oh, that's a skull, but you know, it's white. Oh, look at these little ghosties. These were in my cart and then they sold out, and I don't know if they ever came back in. But these are so cute. They kind of remind me of like the little Pac-Man ghosties. But they're cute. Oh, look at the little Hello Kitty mummy. That is adorable. That is adorable. And then over here we have all kinds of enamel charms. So we have, ooh, look at the little ghost face. We have mommies. Ooh, look at the bat cupcake. Ghosty. A kitty and a pumpkin. A ghosties in a pumpkin that says Wicked. I don't know if I've seen this one. Little baddie. Oh, bat pumpkin. Another kitty and a pumpkin. Little witch. Ooh, two little witches. Oh, we have a gold witch and a silver witch. Ooh. And then another bat. And then over here we have this like McDonald's Boo Bucket silicone bead. And then we have cute little, so these are like, they're just like sticker jemmies, and they usually come in like a strip, but she's cut them down so they fit in here, and they're like little pumpkins on the inside. And they have different faces. So cute. So cute. Then we have orange beads over here. So we have a gummy bear. I don't know if I've seen these ones yet either. These skeleton guys. I've seen these pumpkin guys. A black gummy bear. A witch hat. We've seen these ones too. These are such cute little charms. These little circle charms. And then we have a couple of these little orange beads. Over here we have cats. Look at all these fun cats. Can't go wrong with cats, right? Isn't that cute? You know, like we've always had cats. But like, well, on and off, like throughout my life, we've always had cats. My sister was a big cat person. I've always had a dog. Always had dogs growing up. I have my little dog that's like a little ESA dog. But it wasn't until like I discovered Sphynx cats, and I was like, oh, I want one, I want one, I want one. And we got my husband one first. And Bellatrix is, you know, she's a Bellatrix. And then we're like, oh, let's get her a mate. We'll get a male. And I fell in love with Baldy, and now I am such a cat person. Big cat lady now. I asked me 10 years ago, and I would have been like, oh, I'm a dog person. I'm a dog person. Not no more. We have these, oh, these are cool wood buttons that are printed. Those are fun. And then we have these little acrylic pieces over here. Oh, look at this little skull. He's cute. He is so cute. And then these little boos, they have little ghosties in the O's. Those are really cute. Oh, wait. And then we have some little boo bucket earrings, but you can take these apart and use them as charms. Look at, so cute. So cute. And then we have over here, we have a little sequin shaker mix, but they have like some bigger shaker balls in here. Some little eyes, some stars. I like the colors, really pretty. And we have some candies. Kind of candies. Never gonna get these to go all back in nicely. And then over here we have paper clips. We have the little clothespin. These are great to just do up little bags and so forth. We have little baddie paper clips and little white clothespins. Yeah, those are. All right, and then we have some ghosties. There's fun ghosties. Oh, look at this flowered ghosty. Wow, so much fun. And thank you so much. A lot of extra goodies. Anne always goes above and beyond. She's always down to join a swap. I really, really, really appreciate you, Anne. You're always good for a swap. I can always count on you. Make sure you give Anne some crafty love. I will link all of her information down below. She's a great crafter, and we will see you in the next swap reveal. Bye, guys.